RC08, full renovation mode. The garden works have started. Everything is being cut, replanted. First paint layer on the home. So it looks much brighter now. So here you have the terrace with the lounges for the pool. The pool has been fully renovated as well. So now entering the home without getting a branch on my head. So here just showing you, that's where you have the summer kitchen with a direct access door to the indoor kitchen with a covered dining place here. And here will be the lounge area for evening drinks, southwest exposed. So here I'm under the arches of the property, and I'll show you quickly inside what it looks like at the minute. So here you're entering the room. In the dining area, here you need to imagine terracotta floor with the dining table here. Here you have the open kitchen that will look just like this, with a kitchen island in the middle here. You have a first sitting area here with the fireplace, and in here a second more official sitting area. So here from the living space we are entering the first bedroom. Here just the guest loo right here, and here actually the main entrance that is at the back of the property when you arrive by car. Here you have the first ensuite bedroom of the property with the bed right here. Access to the garden. Here you have a wardrobe, little desk area, and it's ensuite bathroom with toilet, shower and sink with a double window here. I'll take you to the other bedrooms that are on the other side of the property. Just here you have a little village view, so that tree is going to be cut, but right here you have the Tourette-sur-Lot village, which is obviously super nice. Here we entered the master bedroom with its triple windows here, bed right here, and in here we're entering the dressing area. Wardrobes everywhere, here a loo, and in here wardrobes again, the shower room, double sink vanity, and the shower with its little window, very nice, overlooking the lands that are not buildable, that are right next door. So here you're overlooking the southwest side of the property. So please ignore all those cars. This is a renovation site, so we're like potentially 20 at the moment in the property. Here we're going up where you have the two other bedrooms of the property. But first here you have a little mezzanine area overlooking the sitting area here with its little balcony. Here you have a little reading nook. Ooh, pardon. Hop, sorry, pardon. Here, the third bedroom, bed here, with access to a little balcony area. Here you have wardrobes. Southwest oriented, this one. Tourette sur l'eau village. Right here, the fourth bedroom. The bed will be here. Again, access to that little balcony. And here, the family bathroom. So here you have the double vanity, the Italian shower here, and here the bathtub, right here, under the window that is overlooking the garden, southwest side.